So Go 122 was released earlier this year, and there was a pretty big fix that had a lot of developers have issues with, including myself. So let's get right into that. I can show you what actually happened and then what was the workaround, and then with Go 122, how you don't have to worry about it anymore. Let's take a look at how it actually happens here. So when you're trying to range over a GoFunc and you're trying to launch a bunch of Go routines, the problem that happens is that this GoFunc actually captures the value of the range. So if we actually do a Go run, you can see that all the values are printed as C. Now, if we want to fix this, what you have to do is you actually have to pass V in as an argument. And then also right here, we need to say that V is a string to capture it that way. Now when we run it, it does CAB. It won't be in order because you're not guaranteed what order the Go routines will run in. Now you also see down here, I'm running on 121. Now if we remove this, and we switch over to 122, so now it says 122. You can see it still says C's. So what we have to do is we actually have to go into the Go mod file and update it here. And that should fix it right there. So just make sure your Go mod and your version that you're running on is 122 or greater. So now you don't have to worry about this, and especially some interviewers like to throw this question out there, and now you can say you don't have to worry about it anymore in 122 and later. Hope that helps. Take care.